Did you know that recycling just one aluminum can saves enough energy to power a television for 3 hours? That's incredible. Recycling metals is like giving them a new life and helps our planet in a big way. It's important for all of us to understand why recycling metals is so beneficial for the environment. By understanding the process and its impact, we can all do our part to make a difference. Recycling metals is like a magic trick, but it's real. It's a fascinating process that transforms old, discarded items into something new and useful. It starts with collecting used metal items like cans, which are often found in our everyday trash, foil, which we use in our kitchens, and old car parts that have reached the end of their life. Then, these items are taken to special facilities where they are sorted and cleaned. This step is crucial to ensure that the metals are free from contaminants and ready for the next stage. Next, the metal is melted down into a liquid form. This is done in large industrial furnaces that reach extremely high temperatures. Imagine molten metal, glowing bright orange. It's a mesmerizing sight, almost like watching lava flow. This liquid metal is then poured into molds to create brand new metal products ready to be used again. These new products can range from everyday items like cans and foil to more complex components like car parts and machinery. To get new metals, we often have to mine them from the earth. This process can be harmful to the environment. Mining requires digging large pits, which can destroy habitats for animals and plants. Mining also uses a lot of energy and water. It can also release harmful chemicals into the air and water, polluting our environment. This is why finding alternative solutions like recycling is so important. Section 4. Recycling to the rescue. Recycling metals helps us reduce the need to mine for new metals. This has significant positive impacts on the environment. When we recycle, we conserve natural resources and protect wildlife habitats. Recycling also uses much less energy than mining. This means we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change. Furthermore, recycling helps to keep our air and water cleaner by reducing pollution. Section 5. Everyday examples of recycling in action. Recycling is an essential part of our daily lives, and we often see it in action without even realizing it. We see examples of metal recycling all around us, from the bins we use at home to the large-scale operations at recycling centres. Metal recycling is everywhere. Those aluminum cans we talked about earlier, they are a perfect example of how everyday items can be given a new life through recycling. They can be recycled and turned into new cans, bicycles, and even more. The process of recycling aluminum is efficient and helps conserve natural resources or even parts for airplanes. Yes, the metal from recycled cans can be used in the aerospace industry, showcasing the versatility of recycled materials. Old cars that are no longer in use are also a valuable source of recyclable metal. These vehicles are dismantled and their metal parts are carefully sorted for recycling. The metal from these cars can be recovered and used to make new cars or other metal products, contributing to a circular economy where materials are reused rather than discarded. Reducing the need to mine for more. By recycling metal, we reduce the environmental impact of mining and help preserve natural landscapes for future generations. Section 6. Let's recycle for a brighter future. Recycling is more than just a task. It's a commitment to our planet and future generations. Recycling metals is a simple yet powerful way we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Every can, every piece of scrap metal, when recycled, helps reduce the need for new raw materials. By choosing to recycle, we are making a conscious decision to conserve resources, reduce pollution, and decrease the energy required to produce new products. This small act can lead to significant environmental benefits and protect our environment for generations to come. Imagine a world where our forests are lush, our parks are clean, and our air is fresh. This is the future we can create through recycling. So, next time you finish a can of soda, think about the journey it can take, from your hand to the recycling bin and then transformed into something new and useful. or see a metal item that can be recycled, take a moment to place it in the right bin. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Remember the positive impact it can have. Educate others, especially the younger generation, about the importance of recycling. Let's all do our part and make recycling a part of our daily lives. Together, we can create a sustainable and brighter future for everyone.